In the article below, you will find some amazing persuasive essay topics for 5th grade that will help the children to not only present a wonderfully researched essay, but will also help them to learn about issues that are important in the society today. If you have to convince someone about something, you first need to be convinced about that particular concept yourself. Persuasive essays deal with exactly that psychology. After you're given a topic, you need to first analyze the topic, understand it, believe in what it has to say, and then convince everyone else around you about the same. When we talk about the list of persuasive topics for 5th grade, we need to select topics that will help the children learn something new and things which will help in their upbringing. Topics for 5th grade should revolve mostly around ethics and values that will form the children's character in general tomorrow. At the same time, we need to keep in mind the issues which might not be appropriate at this time in life. Some persuasive essay topics for 5th grade. Given below are a few topics that will help the students learn something new while working on their essay and will also help them to come up with new ideas for the betterment of these issues. It is not necessary for you to use these topics just as they are. You can change the titles to something that you like and start researching and writing on it. Let's see some of the topics that you can use for your essay this year. The importance of recycling. Recycling is highly underestimated today, and its importance is neglected by those who know of it, and misunderstood by those who don't know of it. Recycling is very important in the world as we see it today, with global warming being a constant threat. With or without global warming, recycling is very important for the healthy functioning of the environment we stay in today. The importance of recycling should be understood by students at an earlier age, so they can do something about it. This topic will teach you why recycling is important and the numerous ways in which it can benefit our society today. Importance of technology. Technology today has transformed the meaning of happiness more towards the materialistic side than what it was before. We want technology to help us in the smallest of things in day-to-day life. However, is this good for human health? Is it good to rely on technology so much that tomorrow we might be completely helpless without it? For their persuasive essays, students can study how technology can increase its influence over the years and how we must use it as a necessity and not a luxury. More than the luxury element, students can focus on undue relying of humans on technology. The harm of global warming. Global warming is knocking on Earth's door after every few months and telling us how wrongly we lead our lives today. However, we don't do much about it on individual basis. We talk and only talk about it. Students can first understand the concept of global warming completely and the importance of its awareness. After this, they can research on why all of us, on individual levels, need to work towards reducing its effects. After this is done, they can research on different ways by which this individual fight can be fought. They can conclude the essay with mentioning how this will benefit the society at large. Importance of values and ethics. This is perhaps one of the best persuasive essay topics for 5th grade. We all know what values such as integrity and honesty are. However, these are not inculcated in the right way today. It is mostly assumed that all of us about these, and they don't need to be taught separately. Students can research on how these values and ethics help us to form a strong character and how these also help us in day-to-day lives. Research can also be done on why exactly these values and ethics are considered so important and how each one of us can benefit from them. Physical and moral education. Due to the increasing competition in the world today, students focus a lot on only academics. The importance of physical and moral education is not completely extinct, but has reduced considerably over the years. Staying fit is important at all stages in life, starting from when you're in school. Similarly, moral education too shouldn't be ignored in these times of wars and terrorist attacks. Students can write about both physical and moral education, or they can select one of the two and focus on that single topic itself. These were some persuasive essay topics for 5th grade that you can use for your persuasive essay and make it one of the best in class. At the start of the essay, you can also write why you chose the particular topic and how researching and writing on that topic helped you and introduced you to new ideas and perspectives.